Yeah, that's a Ford GT, right? Ford GT right here. Ford GT. Absolutely crazy. That should look mean right there. That shit is mean. That shit is mean right there, man. The engine real quick. Ah, spiker right here. Motivation, y'all, step it up. Huh? Look at this shit, man. What? Koenigsegg. The Bugatti killer. This is crazy right here. Koenigsegg. You see this? Man, Bugatti killer right there.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Yeah, this is it's crazy, man. It's all motivation.
Oh, yeah.
We can only dream, but you never know, right? You never know.
Carbon fiber right there.
Yeah.
All carbon fiber.
That wing probably costs more than like some people whole car and shit.
Oh,
it's a work of art, man. When you look at shit like this,
yeah, like
work of art.
You know, every single one is made by hand.
By hand, yeah. I think these start off for like what, 1.5 now, 1.5 million, something like that.
Good luck getting one though, because it takes like a year. The guy even said it. It's like it takes you 1 year. This like as soon as you buy it, you have to wait 1 year.
1 year. Jesus Christ. Beautiful sight. Wait, pardon your head a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Look at that. Oh.
Sexy.
That's it. You already know. Rolls, Bugatti. Oh man, look at that shit. Man, oh man. But let me just get a little shot here. I don't think nobody on eBay shopping for that shit. But then again, there's some people that would, I think. You know? Huh?
What color is that? That's like a
it's like off-white, right? Or ivory or something?
Like a, yeah, like an ivory. It's not just the design. It's about how the color is too, though.
Yeah.
Certain shit don't look good in certain colors. You know what I mean?
All that shit is mean, man.
I like the design. Well, I like this design.
Oh man, this section just make me just wanna like. Or Mahalia.
Nice car, so I can't wait to drive the Maserati. I'm not gonna be hyped if I'm driving other people's cars.
All right, that's the Porsche right here. Panamera Sport. How you feeling it? I just don't want to get that inside of the dialogue and it's the video, you know what I'm saying? Give me a second though. How you feeling that?
Always a one good thumbs down and shit.
Yeah, I know. Somebody look for the videos with the 0 and they go boom, boom. It's all good. It's a Porsche. How you loving it?
That's the type of thing for like psychiatric evaluations. That's not normal. You wouldn't do that in person, right? And in real life, like.
So this is a Porsche GT. This is a Porsche GT3. Can't go wrong with it. Classic in every sense of the word. How you liking it? How you liking it? Step your game up, y'all. I'm telling y'all over and over, I'm trying to inspire y'all. Step your game up. GT3, 911 Porsche, cherry red. About to get in the lab and do something. What a beauty. What a beauty. Got the hybrid Porsche right here. You already know. Turbo S. Nah, go ahead. It's all good. I'll just edit it later. At least most people are respectful in here. They try to dodge it. I'm trying to create a crazy montage. XJL. Nah. That was the Galaxy Note was exploding. This is a regular S7. That's a regular S7 right here. They bought them. Check out the interior on the Infiniti.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Put your foot on it.
See now this is an interior. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is the interior.
It's spacey in here too.
This is an interior.
It's a nice Great Adventures type of car.
Yeah.
Great Adventures in there.
Look at the wood grain. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. I don't think it's fugazi. That's real.
It could be, but if it feels real, it's real to me, man. This is crazy. Definitely my kind of interior.
It's top though.
Classy interior. That's the rear. I'm loving it right here. Let's take a look at the exterior. That's the exterior. Oh, we got the. So we're back in the interior. This is the rear passenger seat. TV's in the headrest. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. How many you want more of those too?
Which offers a first-class travel experience beginning at only $45,000 with a number of unexpected features that do come standard.
Ford.
So we encourage you to check out the Lincoln Continental while you're with us, and do visit our Lincoln Black Label Gallery as well, which is over here to my right, where you can learn more about the Lincoln Black Label design themes and use our advanced Lincoln Black Label wall,
the color is
where you
crazy.
can actually create the ultimate Lincoln of your dreams. And then over here to my left, we have our Lincoln Way Gallery.
You gotta love the Navi.
Explore the full array.
What you guys think about this one, man?
Finishes and materials.
What you guys think about this?
Lincoln Way ownership experience. Now this includes complimentary pickup and delivery on any of your service needs. And then while you're over there, have some fun, generate some personalized mementos for your visit that you can take home with you as a souvenir. Now we're also going to tell you about our free Lincoln Way app. putting all the benefits of the Lincoln Way right at your fingertips. And we're going to tell you about our Lincoln Test Drive for Charity program. You test drive one of our Lincoln vehicles, and we will donate $75
easy to brainwash.
Just put a
Lincoln instead of a Ford symbol. Charge 80.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new 2018 Lincoln Navigator.
Yeah. Another $80,000, $90,000 truck. New Escalade. I don't know about those rear lights, y'all. What y'all think about this one? So we inside the new Escalade. Check out the interior. What you guys think about this one right here? Fingerprint magnet on the board, but it's all good. Steering wheel here. Yep, that's the room in the back. Plenty of room, of course. Escalade. Nice materials. Not bad.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome.
CTS. Yeah. What you guys think about this? That's not the V, that's a 3.0 liter, that's a twin turbo, you see it? CTS 6. See, TT. Twin turbo.
I'd rather get the key over this shit.
In terms of looks, I don't know about performance. Cause that's a V, bro. Remember, that's a V. Respect the badge. Respect the badge. That's 640, you know that, right? 640 horses in that shit. Exactly.
We didn't go to Alfa Romeo.
Nope.
Look, right here. You can't see from over here. Can you hop out?
Yeah, I'm gonna check it. The materials, right?
I like the material.
All right, that's a CTS
I can
V.
see this wearing and tearing over time. You know, like when you wear
plastics
Timbs,
here.
you don't brush your Timbs?
Yeah, that's how it look right there.
That's how it look now. Imagine over time.
Yep.
Like, you know when it has that worn look on your Timbs?
Yeah.
Where no matter how much you brush it, it's still gonna have that like it's rubbed down look.
Yeah.
That's how it look back here.
That's it. You know what? You know what though? When people buy the V, man, they buy it for that performance shit. They don't even really care about all this other shit.
I feel like you should get your money's worth.
Maserati.
He's charging $5 for a hot dog. So one hot dog. So.
That's how it is.
You know how the one I had was like red and black though. Or black on the outside, red.
Yeah, I remember the red interior. Crazy, man. This is beautiful. That's the AMG. Okay, here we go. It's the interior. Hey. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. I mean, I fit in here. I don't know about with the roof, but C63 AMG. You already know what it is. C63 AMG. Nice interior. Which one is this? This is GLE 43 AMG. What do you guys think? GLE 43 AMG. Huh? Yeah, I'm about to check it out right now. I want to go as long as it's in this right here. This is beautiful, man. They know how to make an interior, I tell you that much.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Back. Beautiful interior. Man, enjoy the show, man. Enjoy the show. Another AMG. This one just caught my eye right here. Wow.
I was thinking that from local.
I realized there's like no line on this side. Like
Express line, that's local.
exactly. All right, another Mercedes-Benz interior. Nice artwork right here. No room back there. Why do you even put back seats in these cars, man? I mean, look. I didn't even go all the way back yet. That's oh my God. Like by the time I lean back. Oh my goodness. No, look at this right here. Look in the back seat. Where's the room? Where's the room, bro?
Red and green, just change the spelling.
I mean, I wouldn't get that color though. I would see the resemblance. Check it out, check it out. What do you think about the rims on this right here? Nah? That's only the 650, bro. M6 or nothing.
It's not even a bad, as long as it's, everybody do it. Everybody involved.
Like, what do you mean, do what? I know. That's why you can't even tell the difference between, you know, certain cars anymore. High performance BMW. What you feel about it? High performance BMW. Beamer in full effect. Look at that. E-Drive. And performance package. Not really an M, it just got the performance package. Never really a fan of that. That's probably a V Twizy if I'm not mistaken. Look at that. See, know your competition. Know your competition. That one, the 7 over there, that was on E-Drive. That was a 540. The white one we just looked at, that was a 540. This is a 7. This is a V12. That one is probably like the 3 liter. Interior of the 760. Stop playing. They should pop the hood on that, man.
It looked like a home. I trust it.
Now, see, look at the difference. You see? You see? You see? Now, I'm not going. This is what it's about right here.
I trust that shit. M6.
Yeah.
What's the highest?
M6 is the, well, M760 is the highest M anything. It's not an M7, it's just an M760. It's not technically an M nothing. So the highest M would be this, M6. But that's an M760, but that ain't faking no jacks. That's a V Twizy. That's a V12. It's not really faking jacks, but they just put M on it because people wanted a top of the line 7 series. This is the top of the line 6 series. That's at the top of the line 7 series. But I still would get this because it's a true M. It's a true M. You understand what I'm saying? It's a true M. Love this shit. Inside the M3. Yeah. Inside the M3. What do you guys think? Yeah. course, no room in the back, but who cares? Yeah, carbon fiber everywhere. Gotta love the M3, man. The beast right there. Carbon fiber grab handles. Look at this shit. Gotta love it. Bro, that's the guts of the M3.
That shit looks strong as shit, bro.
1, 2. Turbos, that's the feed, man. Let's do it. M6 guts. M2. Small, but good power to weight ratio. So the M4 interior, black on red. You have to love this right here. Carbon fiber. Oh my God. I am fully fucking motivated right now. M4.
That's people that just,
Yeah.
I seen him in back. I was already like, yo, he doing way too much.
Come here tomorrow. Come here tomorrow, and you don't like all of that.
I mean, not if it means I gotta be in the way.
Alfa Romeo.
The speed is perfected by Alfa Romeo's art of balancing power versus weight. State-of-the-art construction, such as the use of lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber throughout, created near perfect 50-50 weight distribution. Aluminum suspension, torque vectoring technology, and the most direct steering ratio in its class maximize control even at high speeds. I'd like to welcome you guys at this time to take a look at all of our other models on display. And if you have any questions at this time, please feel free to ask myself or any of our knowledgeable product specialists on the floor.
Paddle shifters.
Of course, you can always visit us online at alfaromeousa.com. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the show.
I was like, what are you trying to do this year? You know? That's what we saw. That we saw something like that downstairs in a different color, though. Yeah, we did.
You can't just throw it all the way down though, because like
people on YouTube gonna be like, "What? You had the balls to do that?" All right, guys. So we got a couple of classics over here. Classic cars. You already know what it is. 1957 Continental Mark II. Batteries are dying. 1947. Playboy prototype. Yeah. Can't believe we used to drive around and shit like this. Come a long way. That was state of the art at one point in time. Ain't that crazy? All right, so New Yorker. You already know I am a New Yorker. No matter where I move to, don't forget that shit, y'all.